Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study simplify using laws of exponent. So we are having here 5 laws of exponent. In that, the first one is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. Okay. Here a is base and m and n are nothing but the exponents. Okay. Next one, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n, where m must be greater than n. Next one, a to the power of m to the whole power of n is equals to a to the power of m into n. Fourth one is a to the power of m into b to the power of m, which is equals to a into b whole to the power of m. Look here, the difference between this fourth one and the first one is, here the bases are different. Here a and b is given, whereas here exponents are different. When it is having same base with different exponents, the exponents add up together, whereas when the bases are different with same exponents, the base get multiplied by each other. Okay. The next one is 1 divided by a to the power of n is equals to nothing but a to the power of minus n. As this a to the power of n goes to the numerator, it will become, the positive exponent will become negative. So depending on these laws of exponents, let's see some of the problems here. Here I have got many problems regarding this exponent, laws of exponent. So let's solve one by one. So in the first one we are having, that is 64 to the power of 1 by 2. So see here, 64, if we take out the LCM of 64, we will get 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So here we got 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times. So let's write here, we got 2 as 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times. Okay. We can write this 64 as 2 into 6, 2 is 6 times. Okay. Next, this 1 by 2 will be as it is. Next we can write 2 is 6 times. Okay. And we can write this as it is. Okay. Now next, looking at this here, a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m into n. We can write 2 to the power of 6 into 1 by 2, where 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. We are left with 2 to the power of 3, which will give us 2 into 2 into 2, that is nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so the answer to this question is 8. Going on to the next one, 32 to the power of 1 by 5. Okay, so 32, as we can see here only, if we take 32, only 1 2 will be minus and remaining the process will be same. So we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the power of 5 will give us 32. So we will directly write 2 to the power of 5 is going to give us 32, whereas this 1 by 5 will be as it is. Now with this same, a to the power of m to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m into n. We will get 2 to the power of 5 into 1 by 5. So this 5 as well as this 5 got cancelled. We are left with 2 to the power of 1, that is nothing but 2 itself. Moving on to the third one. Third one, we are having the question as 125 to the power of 1 by 3. Okay. So let's solve this. 125, we can write 125 as from 5. 5 2s are 10, 2 will be carried, and 5 5s are 25. Next, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So we can write 125 as 5 into 5 into 5, and this 1 by 3 we will write as it is. Okay. So this will become 5 to the power of 3 to the whole to the power of 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 got cancelled. We are left with 5. Okay. So next, fourth one, that is 9 to the power of 3 by 2. So we can write 9 as 3 into 3 to the power of 3 by 2. So it is nothing but 3 to the power of 2. 3 into 3 is nothing but 3 to the power of 2 to the whole 3 to the power of 2. So 2 and 2 got cancelled. We are left with 3 to the power of 3. That is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So the answer here is 27. So the next one, fifth one, 32 to the power of 2 by 5. So we know that we can write 32 as 2 to the power of 5. Okay, and 2 to the power of 5. So here 5 and 5 got cancelled. We are left with 2 to the power of 2. That is nothing but 4. Okay, next, the sixth one, we will continue this side. Okay, the question is 16 to the power of 3 by 4. So 16 can be written as, see here, 16 starts from here. So we can write 16 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 into this 3 by 4 will be written as it is. So this 4 as well as this 4 will be cancelled. So we are left with 2 to the power of 3. That is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Next comes 125 whole divided by minus 1 by 3. Okay. So 125, here we have taken 125 can be written in the form of 5 into 5 into 5. So let us take 5 cube. Okay. 5 cube divided by minus 1 by 3. Next we will get 3 will be cancelled. We are left with 5 to the power of minus 1. Okay. So see here we are having one more formula, that is one more loss of exponent, that is 1 divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of minus n. So here we are having 5 to the power of minus 1 is in the form of a to the power of minus n. So we can either keep this as it is or we can write this as the form of 1 divided by 5 to the power of 1, that is nothing but 1 divided by 5. Okay. Moving on to the next one. 2 to the power of 2 by 3 into 2 to the power of 1 by 5. So what can we do here? Here the bases are same but the exponents are different. So we are having this formula, bases are same where the exponents are different. So the formula here is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So what we need to do here is we have to keep the base as same but we have to add the exponents. Okay. So how to add this exponents is there is a single step here. Simply we can write simply we can write 2 to the power of, see when we multiplied this 3 into 5 we will get 3 5s are 15. Okay. After multiplying the denominator, here while writing in the numerator we have to cross multiply this. So we will get 2 5s are 10, plus sign was in the between, plus 3 1s are 3. So the answer is 2 to the power of 13 divided by 15. Okay. Next one, 1 divided by 3 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 7. Okay. This is of the form, this one is of the form 1 divided by a to the power of n. So we can write this as a to the power of minus n. It means 3 to the power of minus 3. Okay. And the exponent 7 will be as it is. Next, This is in the form a to the power of m into a to the power of a to the power of m to the whole n. See, a to the power of m to the whole n, which is equal to a to the power of m into n. So this will become a to the power of, a is nothing but 3 here, to the power of m into n. M is minus 3 into 7. So the answer is 3 to the power of, minus will be as it is, 7 3s are 21. Okay. The next 10th one, 11 to the power of 1 by 2 divided by 11 to the power of 1 by 4. So here we are having this formula, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, which is equals to a to the power of m minus n. So this can be written as 11 to the power of m is nothing but half minus 1/4. Okay. So this will be 11 as it is we will write, and I told you in this part what we have to do. We have to multiply the denominator, we will get 8. Okay. Then we have to cross multiply. So 1 4s are 4 we will get, and middle here we were having minus sign. So 2 1s are 2. So 11 to the power of 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2 divided by 8. So here 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So the answer here is 11 to the power of 1 by 4. Next, the last one, 7 to the power of 1 by 2 into 8 to the power of 1 by 2. Here we are getting the bases are different. Okay, so we are having one more formula for where the bases are different, that is a to the power of m into b to the power of m. Here we can see exponents are same. Similarly, here we will have exponents are same. So how we can write this? We can write this as a into b to the power of m. So we can write this as 7 into 8 to the power of m. M means here 1 by 2. So we will get 7 8s are 56 to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, this will be the answer. I hope you like my video. If you have any doubts regarding this video, comment down below, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.